Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson, and I just wanted to drop a quick message to say that Eric from Celebrating Vintage Model Kit channel and myself are going to do our second model build challenge. And this time we're going to be doing the vintage monogram kit, the 1/48 scale SB2C Helldiver. So we're going to start our build this coming Saturday, and we will do a live reveal in 30 days like we did on the last one. And if anybody wants to join in and build with us, submit your pictures to us and possibly even join us on our live stream at the end, please let us know. Everybody have a wonderful day. Thank you.